Slide the humidifier into the holder on the ventilator trolley pillar and attach the humidifier chamber. Connect a short-length, non-heated tube from the inspiratory port to the humidifier's gas inlet port. Attach a long-length heated single-limb patient circuit with the heater probe connector end to the humidifier chamber outlet port. Connect the nasal cannula to the other end of the patient circuit. The servo humidifier includes two probes, a yellow one for heating and a green one for dual temperature sensors T1 and T2. Connect the yellow circular connector to the humidifier and the other end of the humidifier side of the patient circuit. Attach the green circular connector to the humidifier. Connect the shorter T2 temperature probe to the humidifier side of the patient circuit and the longer T1 temperature probe to the patient side of the patient circuit. Turn on the humidifier and select the level 1, 2 or 3 using mode button. Choose HFOT from the non-invasive options in the modes section. Set the desired FiO2 and flow rate.